If your PC is freezing, crashing, or losing internet, don't reinstall Windows or take it to a computer shop. Use these simple CMD commands to fix your computer now. First, we need to open the command prompt as an administrator. Open the Start menu and search for CMD. Then click Run as Administrator. Run this command first to find every installed app on your machine that has a newer version and update them all at once. Outdated apps fighting with each other cause a massive chunk of Windows issues. You can also type winget upgrade on its own to preview a list of what is about to update. The System File Checker, SFC, sweeps through every protected Windows system file to compare it against a clean reference copy, automatically replacing anything corrupted or tampered with. If the scan finds problems but cannot fix them, restart your PC and move to the next command. Deployment Image Servicing and Management, DISM, works on a deeper layer and fixes the reference store that SFC uses. It connects to Microsoft servers to pull fresh, verified system components directly from the source. This requires an active internet connection and takes 15 to 20 minutes. Once complete, restart your PC SFC/scan now one more time. Check Disk scans your storage drive for file system errors and physical bad sectors, salvaging any readable data left. Because your C drive is currently running Windows, the command line will ask if you want to schedule the scan for your next restart. Type Y, yes, and press Enter. These three commands solve a surprising number of internet connection issues. First, run ipconfig/flush DNS to clear your DNS resolver cache of broken or stale website entries. Next, drop your current IP address with ipconfig/release, and then grab a fresh one from your router using ipconfig/renew. If the previous network combo didn't work, your Windows networking stack might be corrupted. Reset the Windows catalog with nnettsh winsock reset. Reset the TCP/IP stack to factory defaults with nnettsh int IP reset. And fix connection settings with nnettsh int TCP reset. You absolutely must restart your PC after running these for the changes to take effect. This command checks the internal health of your hard drive or SSD using PowerShell. It will return a clean table listing every drive in your PC. If any drive shows a status other than healthy, you should start backing up your data immediately because the drive is failing. If your PC is dragging, type task list to generate a list of every running process and its PID, process ID. To force an unresponsive app to close, task kill/p, PID number, /f. You can also kill a process by name by typing task kill/im, process name. This command is highly recommended for laptop owners to fix weird power drainage or sleep issues. Windows will watch your system for 60 seconds and generate a detailed HTML report. Don't do anything when execute this command. After the command executes, it will display the location where the report was saved. Copy and paste this path into your browser to identify misconfigured power policies, bad drivers, or USB devices randomly waking your machine up. Bad RAM is the silent killer behind random crashes, file corruption, and blue screens. Type MDSCEGD and press Enter. You can schedule this built-in diagnostic tool to scan every RAM module for hardware failures on your next boot. If it finds broken memory, you will need to replace the faulty stick. These are the commands we used in this video. If you have any issues with these commands, leave a comment below. If you're interested in videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.